Yo, what is up, guys? We're back with a very special video that I'm super excited to get across y'all, because we do got a special. Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back with a very special video, and I'm really excited to get these across y'all, because we do got a special pair of kicks in the house, man. You guys can already see the Jordan 4 box. Beautiful kicks. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek right away. Boom, look at these babies in these. Yo, they're crazy, man. They're crazy. I always say these are gonna be slept on like crazy. I seen a lot of TikToks going down on my feed, and people were like, they're actually going pretty viral, like 2 million views, 3 million views, like multiple TikToks of like, yo, a shoe you got a cop coming up. So these are going to release on August 26th of 2023, so I'm super excited to get these across to y'all. Let's just take a really cool up close look, man, of these guys. Without further ado, hit me up on Instagram at PTYY16. Show me some love over there, guys. If you need any help with the videos, any comments, or whatever it is you guys need help, or you just want to talk, whatever it is, man, hit me up over there at PTYY16. I can help you with whatever you guys need. So without further ado, let's get into the frozen moment 4s. Now, guys, right away, some of you got to debunk. They're not like a shiny, crazy metallic. When you actually get these in hand, the body is actually made of this very nice suede, as you guys can see. The toe box is like that kind of smooth leather, and it lines all across towards the midsole, and the actual sole is like a white and gray, as you guys can see. It's a very similar shoe to the cool grays in that kind of colorway, but you can see that suede lining goes all the way around, and it is in the body right here to the back. That beautiful rubber tab on the back. Now, it's sporting a very high tongue. It's not like the black hack tongue where it's like the thick tongue. It's a very high tongue, as you guys can see. And on the inside right here is a very soft and plush inner layer. It's super soft when you put them in. I love when the 4s are nice and snug like that. And we're not gonna get across or past this beautiful metallic area right here. This beautiful, nice, just shiny metallic. I'm not seeing any fingerprints on these as of right now, but I'm sure there will be a little bit, but it's not a big deal. And those anklets as well too, sporting the metallic as well. And that really cool Jumpman with that matte Jumpman, and those nice cool gray laces, and that black underneath the netting. Now that's really cool as well too. Underneath the netting, it's not like a white or a gray, it is a black, so it does give it a bit of character, in my opinion, kind of elevating it a little bit. But these shoes are just absolutely beautiful. I love how they didn't go with the complete gray sole right here as well too. They put that white in there, and it gives it a lot more character and gives it a lot more versatility, so that's very important as well too. I could imagine putting some white laces on these, and I feel like they will pop crazy. You can even probably get away with some black laces as well too, being that the black under the cage is right there, so we'll kind of match and get that tone. But some white laces on these will go insane, guys. And now the second shoe is right here. The second shoe is right here, guys. We got both in hand. Absolutely beautiful, man. I'm super in love with these. These are definitely one of those shoes that until you actually get them in hand, then you really realize how nice they are. And just a breakdown, like I was saying, guys, of before, from the back, you can kind of see that beautiful matte gray down to that suede lining mixed in with that nice kind of smooth grain leather. It's all about the details right here. They have like their own little details and everything like that too. So without further ado, let's get into that up close and on foot of these, because I know you guys would love to see them. I got some really cool shots of these on the feet actually, so hit me up on Instagram, PTYY16. I love you guys so much. Get it, guys. August 26th, these are releasing. I want true to size 11. Let me know what you think down below, if it is a cop or a drop. Let's get it.